I just want to remind folks that the Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Andrew Holness, that's his constituency. I want to remind you, Bully, Waldie, Penko Bitty, and Supercat, the list goes on and on. Other area there, everybody from this will come from. You see what I'm saying? And it is still a disgrace because me no see nothing. The youth have a full academy from grade 1 go right up. Me I go show none in other video. And me still no see no church, nobody. It's kind of mind-boggling. It's like Jamaica will lose with patrioticness. We're not patriot no more. What this youth a feel and I do, it a touch some people, but you can see majority of the people them is like, yo, can't bother with that, them not even pay attention to that, and that is so sad. I would like to see corporate, the church, you could have give my space, but I just want to know, say, yo, and the Prime Minister constituency that, and him say, him did have to help that youth here. And me not see that yet. Let's go.
As it states in this, and we say adjectives describe a noun. They are describing words. So for example, the dog is black. Black? The dog is black. Now black is describing the noun. So dog is a what? Noun. So black is describing the noun. So dog is a noun and black is a adjective. So we say an adjective describes a noun. So I hope you have completed the activity and it's now time for your social studies exam.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, I want to say big up to Mr. Dudley Thompson, cause this clip here, courtesy of him thing. But Mr. Dudley Thompson went down into Cockburn pen and pretty much highlight the AKEEF Nugent Academy. And this young man, him have a series of other students that him recruit, and them a teacher and I teach the kids them. Them have a kindergarten for the young kids. Them have a grade 6. Them have a grade 4. It's like the man have every different grade, and him set it up just like a regular school. But the crazy thing about this, all of the kids them are pass. You understand? And the kids them brilliant. I can't believe this, yo. I just can't believe this. But there is a shocking thing when me I go talk about after this.
So studies, teachers collecting the books.
Ensure that your names are on the... Oh, yes.
What type of spelling?
language you're teaching here? Is photosynthesis.
Oh, the first word. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.
Your first word is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. It is a grade 5 word. I'm sure you're learning about photosynthesis in grade 5.
Yo, me still can't wrap my head around this. Me no see none of the vlogger them I talk about the youth here. Me no see nobody, a one lady who seems like she have visit Jamaica and her friend tell her, say her family say, yo, the youth they down there so. Me no see corporate Jamaica. Me no see the churches. Me no see the so-called government. And me not go bash the police. But in them area there, you know say a big mistrust with the police. You can hear stories upon stories upon stories. But me still not see nobody a line up and do anything for the youth here. And the youth here have a full academy. Him have grade 1, grade 2. I think him go straight up to grade 6. I'm not even sure because I am watching this in real time as I am analyzing it and speaking on it along with y'all. So let's go.
Okay, so how I met Nugent?
AKEEF Nugent.
AKEEF Nugent. Okay, so I came for a funeral and I saw some kids like going down the street.
Yes.
So I asked my cousin what's going on. They're like, they're going to school. I'm like, school? Because I guess today was no school.
Yes.
He's like, no, there's a little 13-year-old with our school down the street. And I'm like, what? He's like, yeah, he's a genius. And I'm like, okay, a legend in the making. So I wanted to come meet him. I met him, blessed him with a small little donation to help to continue his schooling.
All right. Grade 6 class.
27995.
Now, may I call upon the people them, government, private business, everybody, on a need for donate to the youth here. On a need for build up a school, give them a building. Do something for the kids them. Because, like me said, me not in a church. The church could have provide a space for him, and me no want to sound negative. But me no see nobody a line up. No corporate people. The only people that me say I come through are people like me and regular people. I give donation. Me no see nobody. Me no see no vlogger. Me no see nothing. Yo, me a chuckle, but it's really crazy, and me can't believe as about Jamaica gone where we have this young man doing great things for the kids them. Cause when you see the Nugent Academy, the AKEEF Nugent Academy, and me not see nobody a line up. The church, the rich people them, me not see no private organization. You have the Business People Association of Jamaica, a whole heap of different crazy organization, and none of them So Jamaica is a whacked out place, yo. We can't believe it. And like me said, the vlogger them, I want to do something for the youth, yeah, and promote the youth, yeah. If you don't do it, if you's a man, you's a batty man. And if you's a girl, you's a lesbian. Let's go.
And now for the infant department, they're just teacher exam also. Teacher marking the exam paper. That's a good mark so far, you can see here.
Who is writing on my Zamai?
100%. Wow. Good marks. Look about 70%, what, yes? Wow. Some good marks so far here at Nugent Academy. You can see here.
Yo, I am pretty much speechless. This youth have a full-fledged school. You see him have the infant them there. Alright? And then them mark them work and everything, and the kids them is actually passing this work. Some of them get now 100%. They're actually doing better than the teachers them who so-called went to school to study to be a damn teacher. This is incredible. Now, them also have the arts and craft, and they have, it's fully functional. It's crazy. Yo, me feel like me would have got to blood cleat to learn something, cause the man I teach, and when him did I teach the nouns and the adjective, I'm actually learning some stuff, cause me a big man and my brain get kinda rusty, you know. But the youth bring it back to perspective. With that said, me still a call pan Jamaica. Me still a call pan the vloggers them. Support AKEEF Nugent and make a donation. I wanna for vlog about it and talk about it.
Joined by Michelle, and she is AKEEF's grandmother. And tell us all about your role in AKEEF's Academy.
Well, I am the person that behind him, so I stand as Ministry of Education. So everything he does, the both of us discuss it and decide on it.
And that's your key role in,
yes.
in the academy.
Yes.
So you saw what happened today, you know, today's school. Today was a good day at school. Tell us your thoughts on today's school.
Well, today wasn't a bad day. It was good for today, but yesterday was more calmer. So them get music. Them get music today, so everybody make a lot of noise. But yesterday was more calmer with them and more, you know. But they has tests today, and then they have a little fun after. So it was a great day as well.
Yo, I have to give it up to Grandma, cause you hear what she said. She is the Ministry of Education. So everything what him do, him running through the Ministry of Education. And she approve it or not approve it. So listen, this is a coordinated effort. And you see Grandma, the lady should I get the order of distinction from the Prime Minister. You see that little boy, he need to get the same thing from the Prime Minister from the country of Jamaica. Listen, I've never seen anything this bright and this good come out of Jamaica in the last 20-30 years. You understand? Most of the news is negative. What is not negative? It's self-serving. You understand? Everybody's self-serving and you can see it. Because nobody is really interested in this. I am the only vlogger vlogging about it. So people self-serving in Jamaica, we lose our patronage. It's like we don't say country no more. Me, I am a nationalist. I'm a Jamaica nationalist. That's why I say country first. I am a Caribbean nationalist. That's why I said the Caribbean first. You see what I'm saying? So we don't see none of that. And it's real sad. But yo, grandma, my hats off to you. Listen, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'ma want to support the youth here. Me nah stop talk about it. You understand? I am not. And me I call upon the dirty church them. Me know me I use the word dirty and bumbleclad to describe you know. But listen, it's not about me. It's about this young man and the Nugent Academy. You see the yard where my teaching her. Give him a building. Give him a car. You understand? This is a shame. You have Cockburn Garden All-Aid School down the street. You have Creech right down the street. You understand? It is a shame. I don't want to keep on rambling, but when was the last time the government built a school in that neighborhood? It is such a shame. Shameful. Remember, help this youth. And my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Yo, me I go end it with a clip of the kids them a do them artwork. Yo, the youth here is a genius, me nah lie. And listen, me still not see nobody around behind the youth to help him. I'm kinda pissed off about that, but me I try a different approach to be more pleasant from that one, yeah. I'm out.
We are back at grade 3. It's be art class at the moment. Grade 3 art class.